The snow has stopped.
You all right? You got, how many stitches they give you? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, over there.
And this is, when you try to get in, all the ice, the broken line of the hose was right here.
This is where I got out of here.
And I can't open this